Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, January 20, January 10th, 2022. We have here the second puzzle. The first puzzle I have already solved. The second puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, well, this will be number 3958. Before I start, what kind of a binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then. Let me see. Interesting. Well, I need to think, or I need to compare because I'm stuck. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be a no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well. Yeah. Think. Come on. It's taking too long. Where's the opening? Yeah. I'm thinking. 3 ones. Come on. It's taking too long. Here, 3 ones. Here, 3. Yeah. No. I'm stuck. I cannot believe this. Well, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also an O and a 1, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. But now, I need to compare, I think, but cannot find the row or the column to do this. And it's taking too long, or I have overlooked something. Come on. Too long. This is too long. Ay. You have a double one here, no. Only one column is completed. And only 2 rows. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. Overlooked. Looked. This row and that row. 0011 empty box 0011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now, need to compare 1001. Do I have a 1001 here? Yes. This row again and that row. 110011 empty box. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow, this one you need to find the row that you need to compare. And I've overlooked this row, with the first row, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for the last puzzle of today. A tectonic, it will be easy. Until then, bye bye for now.